The world's tallest building. A Formula One track basking in heat. India. All quite some way for a man who once thought Northampton was north because it's got north in its name. He gets lost easily in the middle of rural Somerset and has never been to the creme de la creme of the UK, Burnley. This man's knowledge doesn't stretch that far from Dean Court. And this man has been sent abroad. He will definitely get lost. This is a Cherry Abroad.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode here. So, of course, been joining me on my adventures for a little while now, and here I am. I'm down Dubai Marina now. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's baking hot. I've got my blueberry Gatorade as well, and that thing is the case that this thing goes in as well. So yes, it's warm to say the least. I tell you what, let's show you exactly what I'm looking at. So here we are. This is what it's looking like. There is a boat down there. I think that is like a tour boat. It's like a blue one, which is really nice. But this whole area is gorgeous and yeah, very hot. Put on some sun cream, to be fair, but I don't think that's going to matter really. I'm going to still burn, but yeah, it is nice. Here's a marina from up above, and yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. There is a rope wire that goes all the way from up there somewhere, that goes down, and you can fly down into what is the mall, which is quite epic, to be perfectly honest. I'm not a fan of heights, mind, but I am tempted at doing that, to be perfectly honest. Very nice looking restaurant there, and there we go. Look at that. Should have put this thing in a case actually, because it's actually burning up in my hand. Literally, it is burning up in my hand because it's that hot. Yeah, there is water filling stations everywhere as well, but so far I haven't found one that works. So, I guess everybody's drunk and dry. There we are. There's a exclusive yacht down there. Look at that. Probably see some supercars in a minute as well. Already seen some supercars so far. Been in a supercar. Who would have thought that? Don't get me wrong, the Nissan Qashqai, I love my Nissan Qashqai, but that was a little bit better than that. So yeah, let's carry on down here and to see what's about. See, I haven't been to this mall before. There's two. There's the main mall, which has got the aquarium in it, and also there's a ski rink or something in there as well, which, you know, I'd be quite keen to see. Go skiing in Dubai. Interesting. I'll be honest, I was watching a programme the other day, watching another YouTuber, who I think is absolutely brilliant. And there's a ski rink, a guy called Callan Bowl, and there's a ski rink actually in Iraq. Never would you have thought that, but yeah, there's a ski rink here, but it is in the middle of a shopping centre, so might see it. I'm going to try and find it, but I can't make any promises at this point. You just have to keep watching on to actually see if I actually find it. But The drinks are actually really, really cheap here as well, which is like 5 dirhams, which is effectively is like £1.50. You need a lot of them, to be honest, especially those blueberry Gatorades. Why don't they have those in the UK? Wish they did. But I think that is the mall down there, but we'll carry on for a moment. In fact, I might go in and get another drink in a second. Yeah. Hello again, guys, and I tell you what, I've got the biggest building in the world behind me. As you can tell, my hair's a little bit all over the place, especially from putting the helmet on this morning, going around the track, and the sheer heat, you know, has kind of destroyed the hair wax I had on. So yeah, it's not used to it. Plus I am going a bit bald as well, can't help that. Beggars can't be choosers. But I tell you what, it is lovely. It is scorching. I think that's the best way you can put it, really. But I tell you what, let's take a little wander around. Here we go. You can see here the lakes. Let's get the sign. Gorgeous. Bit tall, that, isn't it? Being up there. I could do it again, but I'm sure there's other things I'm going to get up to as well. So, yeah, been up the world's tallest building before, as you'll see, but yeah. Thing is, this mall, you know, you got to be filthy rich to actually shop in it, but you know, it's just nice to look around it. There's an aquarium in it, there's a ice rink, like I say. In fact, I saw the signs, haven't seen the ice rink as yet. I don't know if you can go in it really, but yeah. What I would do is just to jump in that water. I'm sure I made that joke before, to be honest. Just leap in it. It looks just so nice.
Talksport Fan Network.
The ultimate on-demand destination for the UK's best fan-led football podcasts.
Want authentic supporter insight on all things Bournemouth? Follow Up the Cherries in all departments on the Talksport Fan Network.
Club-dedicated content created by the fans, for the fans.
Search Talksport Fan Network.